So I'm here today at the Steel Stacks in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I love this place. This old industrial architecture has so much excitement and energy and history to it. Rusted metal, flaking metal, steel beams, landscape. This is a perfect situation for urban sketching. It has a little bit of everything. If you look at this structure, it looks so incredibly complicated. There's so much happening here, and that's what fires me up. I'm going to show you how to take this massive structure, how to break it down and create really fun, cool, and creative sketches. I'm Jason with The Inkspired Life. Come with me on our journey today. We're going to have a lot of fun sketching.